Umintri rang ba kajala Conrad ki sangma haka artarik naitung ula Plie ka Center for Capacity Building and Empowerment jong ka Presbyterian Church of India Phase 1 but Phase 2 jong ka project haka jingadon lang usumbut mintri rang ba Preston tensong. Haba ay jingkran haka jingalang umintri rang ba ula pensya ya ka jingtmu ka bakham jiliyo halan det kanika kam haba penpau bakam de satya tang umau mer haka jingtay Henry karensan bat penkala ya ka jing im bat penkup bori ki samla haba krani kinong rim ka babatin den ti ya u ka balong lakha ban shakri ula penpau baka senshar khadar bat ki jaka trekam bakan jaman sim kidan ya ka jo commission ban shakri ki briu da ka jing IT lon ka jing sngoren bat ka jing ko jingmon halor ki jing song kya ki bayade bat ke FCRA amendment bill ula kren halor ki jing e kumbala penpau da ki balang bat ki sengnyam ki bala ban kta e ki kam shakri para brio kat ba kalinti ya jongi kala ban ya pher ka thong ka de ka ju ban shakri ki brio jongi ula ang habayai ban ni ka jingkong san ka jingalong ka wei ha ka ban pen bet ye ki ni jing e ki baklan kum ka FCRA amendment ula khat e kinong shong shnong bat kinong alam niam bakin duwai bat ya troi ringkat ha ka ban pen thikna bagi jaka trekam ki ba shakri ya ka imlang salang kinang bateng ban trekam khambha klem ki jing sha pen thon haba pen scam biang ya ka jingkot jingmot ka sarkar umintri rang ba ula kulari ka jing kyrshan na ka benta ka phase 3 ban 1 jong ka project bat ban jor ya ka thong ban penroi ka center kum ka hub of excellence ka ba sandori ki nong shong shnong ki badan ka jingkit kre ki bala ban le ya ka nu ka kam bat ki ba sngutanat ban shakri.
Friends, today we have prayed for this center of capacity building and empowerment. God has blessed us. God has blessed the PCI and answered your prayers to start this capacity building and empowerment. I hope and pray that you will get tired every day knowing that you have the privilege to continuously work for what you have asked for. And therefore this building will remain a building of capacity building and empowerment. God has blessed you, and now it is our responsibility to truly make this a building of capacity and empowerment. A building that is going to change lives. A building that's going to transform societies. A building that's going to take a generation way forward. A building that will be able to unlock the potentials that the youngsters have to prepare them to be better citizens. As Deputy Chief Minister says, to prepare their minds and their mindsets to be better human beings. And I hope and pray that you get tired having the privilege of doing it day in and day out. And remind yourself that this is what you have prayed for. And I also hope that this center will never shy away when challenges come. Will never stop. Will never quit when you have difficulties. The center will have challenges and you'll have huge difficulties as you progress forward. But I hope that the prayer that you have had will take you through those difficult times. I always have believed, and again this is something I've just noted this down 2 minutes before I started to speak because I want to share this with you. I don't prepare speeches. I hope you know that. My team prepares speeches, but I don't prepare speeches. And the reason I don't prepare speeches is because I sit in that moment. I absorb what I'm seeing and I'm feeling and I'm listening. And I say a short prayer that God please speak through me. And I'm not lying to you. I would not lie in a moment like this. But that's how I prepare my speeches. I don't prepare. I just let whatever is there in my heart and in my mind come out at that moment. And so I was listening to our Deputy Chief Minister when he was speaking. And he was mentioning about how we are all part of society. And how we are part of the same purpose that's there ahead of us. And again, I want to share with you one very strong belief that I have. And those of you who always follow or sometimes follow my Insta, you will see that I've got a hashtag which I always quote. And that hashtag says, born to serve. And friends, I truly believe that that is the motto that should drive every single human being. There is a very simple saying, and I will take the permission of the chair. The saying is in Hindi, and it sounds very good in Hindi, so I have to say it in Hindi. In Hindi, there's a saying that says, "हमारे रास्ते अलग हैं, लेकिन मंजिल एक है." Which means that our roads and the paths may be different, but our destination is the same. Which means that we may be doing things in different ways, and you may be doing what you do, and I may be doing what I do. But at the end of the day, we are here for the same purpose. And that purpose is to serve. We serve in a governance manner. We serve in the form of development and different benefits we give to people, mostly related with economics. You serve the people from the spiritual perspective, from the society perspective. But at the end of the day, it is the people who we serve. On 22nd of June, 1841, Reverend Thomas Jones and his wife came to Meghalaya. Almost 100 and plus, I think almost 180 years back. And since then, the journey of the Presbyterian Church has seen so many things that have happened. So many contributions that the church has made. Even before governments could come in and say, we'll start a school, the Presbyterian Church was there to serve the people and to start schools. Even before governments could set up hospitals, the Presbyterian Church was there to heal the people. Not just spiritually, but even physically. Even before governments could come in and talk about counseling and creating different kind of opportunities for the youth, the Presbyterian Church was far ahead in engaging with the youngsters, with the youth, and creating responsible citizens out of them. That is what the Presbyterian Church of India is about. And that is a contribution that has been made by the church in the last decades and centuries.